Kithitoni cha kuikiithya kana UTHUKUMI mwailu niwavikia enenthi isioni syonthe sya kaunti ya Masaku vena vata wa maovisaa ala meutetheesya ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku kuthukuma ukavani wa utongoi kuthukuma undu vailite vate kikono uni kwianana amemba mambunge ya kaunti ya Masaku ala mainene vindani ya kunenanithya mitalatala kia vathukanio bungeni ya Masaku maweta kana pe amwe maathukumi bungeni wa utongoi methitwe maitunga kithito cha ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku cha kuthukuma enenthi mayasya tambunge maindi ya kumosea matambia ala vailite makimio dan
Thini wa kikalo cha kunenanithya ripoti mwana ila yaetwe ni komiti ya budget na ila yathagwa ni mwene kivila wa komiti yesu Dominic Ndamboki ni maelesekana vena vata wa kila maovisaa ukavani wa utongoi kuthukuma undu vailite vate kikono.
It is important that everybody takes his job serious. Madam Speaker, you have a secretariat, for example. If they feed you with an information which is not valid, who takes responsibility? If we really mean well for our people, and if we really mean well and want to support Her Excellency, the Governor. Honorable Speaker, recommendations of this House has not been taken seriously. This is our second, if you are an executive member, I said yesterday, you are a chief officer in our government, and you are not doing your work properly, my friend, then the governor doesn't need you. The assembly equally doesn't need you. Let us do our job. Let us make sure that at least our people get what they require. We have a mandate to represent them and to oversight. We will do our job equally to make sure that everything happens. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Now, us as an assembly, us as a county executive, because we are one, to sit down and identify where the gaps are and seal these gaps, because if we don't do that, we will be heading in the wrong direction. Honorable Speaker, I support the report.
Onuwa vo ni maendeana uthingila kana tambunge mamino vitukithya ilovia nimekuonea na kuwatia maisye undu si uthukumithwa na kila milati wetetwe nthini wa budget kwika wa vatendei.
It is unfortunate and the time is now. When we go back to our wards in 2027 to seek for votes, the residents will not inquire to know the number of people we paid in terms of salaries or we employed. They will inquire to know how many dams we brought to the ground, how many roads were done, how many mulikamwizis we are lit, Madam Speaker. That is what is going to precipitate to convince the residents and the electorate of Machakos County that we did some good work for them. So, Madam Speaker, whereby we are just giving a wholesome amount of money to a department, but it does not specify what will be done where, what will be done in each and every ward, Madam Speaker. We want to know which projects will be undertaken in Kithitoni ward and at what cost. We want to know which projects will be undertaken in Kimakimo ward, in Masinga Central ward, in Machakos Central ward, in every single ward, including Mudhwane ward, so that we can have a track of what was done and at what costs. We cannot be giving variations in terms of contracts awards anyhow. The county government has a responsibility to undertake services in a ward that is either subscribed or not subscribed to, irrespective of what the member subscribes to.
Daniel Mwankela, Mutongoi TV, kuma bungeni ya kaunti ya Masaku.